Hi kids, today we're gonna play with 3-car garage. Here we have keys to the garage door. We have a blue key, we have an orange key, and we have a maroon key. Wow! Now let's see if we can open these garage doors. Nope, they seem to be locked. How can you open them? That's right, with the keys. Now this orange key can open the orange garage door. Look. Wow. And this blue key can open the blue garage door. Wow. And this maroon key can open the invisible garage door. Wow. Now kids, watch what happens when I put this maroon key on top of the invisible garage door. Watch. Wow, did you see that? The car moved. Now let's see what happens when I put the blue key on top of the blue garage door. Wow, it also moved. Now, kids, we both know that this car will move. Now put this key on top of the orange garage door. Oh, not just one of them, but all of them moved. Wow. Here we have an orange car. Look. Look at it go. Wow. Here we have a blue car. Look at it go. Here we have a maroon car. Not red, maroon. Look. Wow. Look at it go. It's even faster than the other ones. Wow. Now we have all the cars together. Maroon, blue, and orange. Well, kids, it looks like these cars want to go to bed now. Back into the garages. Now the question is, where did this orange car belong to? Does it belong to the orange garage, the blue garage, or the maroon garage? Also known as the invisible garage. Wow. So kids, where does the orange car belong in? That's right, the orange garage. Orange car goes in orange garage. Wow. Now where does the maroon car go to? Does it go into the blue garage or the invisible garage? That's right kids, the maroon garage. Now kids, we both know that this blue car goes into the blue garage. Wow. Now the only thing left to do is to close the garages. Orange garage, close. Blue garage, close. And invisible garage, close. Now kids, let's make sure these garages are actually closed. Uh-oh. The orange garage is not locked. Nor the blue garage, nor the invisible garage. So how can we lock these garages? That's right, with the keys. Wow. Now, this orange key can lock the orange garage just by turning it and removing it. Look, locked. Wow. Now we have the blue key, which can lock the blue garage by turning it and removing it. See? Locked. Now last but not least, this blue key can lock the invisible garage. Look. Turn and remove. Wow, it's locked. Even though you can't see it, it's actually locked. See? Wow. Now, one last thing to do to put these keys on top of the garages. Here's how. Orange key on top of orange garage. Blue key on top of blue garage. And also, maroon key on top of maroon garage. Well, kids, I hope you had a lot of fun. I know I did. We get to learn these colors of these cars. Orange, blue, and maroon. Don't forget, kids, this is not red, this is maroon. Well, bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe.